Hello and welcome to today's vlog, which is, because it's Sunday, going to be a throwback vlog of some footage that I took over the past few months and then I never got a chance to upload. So in today's vlog, it is going to be a throwback to just before Chloe's first birthday, which was the beginning of 2021. It was in February. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and at the end we will open today's advent calendar. I'm sitting in my car right now. I'm in the driveway. I'm just waiting for my car to warm up a little bit. I have to do an errand this morning. I have to drop off a Zara order, or a return, to the Purolator store. Normally I just drop it off at Canada Post. For whatever reason, this one has to go through Purolator, which is totally fine, except I actually don't remember where the nearest Purolator is. I have to Google that. And then I'm also, Chloe is turning 1 year old tomorrow, so it's kind of a big deal. Although, because of COVID, you know, it's obviously not going to be as fun as it probably would normally be, because we're not going to obviously have a huge party for her or anything, but I still want to do something a little bit special for her. So I ordered some treats yesterday for pickup on Saturday morning, and then I also, well, we got her obviously gifts, and also I'm going to go pick up some balloons. I'm going to do that, then hit up Purolator, and then yeah, those are my errands today. But it's cold. It's been cold for the last few days. It's actually, this is probably the mildest day of the year, or not the year, the mildest day of the week so far, and that means it's snowing. So when it's not cold, it's snowing. Okay, success. I'll show you guys my haul once I bring everything inside. It's really awkward to show you guys because I did get weights, so the balloons are just floating in my hand. But I got some balloons. I also got some decorations, and this is for Chloe's toy that we got her, which I'll show you guys in a second. So tonight, when she goes to sleep, I am going to decorate our kitchen. Maybe living room? I'm not sure yet. I wanted to give you guys a little quick update on this phone case because you saw me unbox it during vlogmas, I think, and I love it. It's the Apple Silicone case. I love the MagSafe feature. I love the color. It's great. It also offers enough grip so that I don't feel like I'm going to drop the phone all the time. There's a cute photo of Chloe on Lunar New Year, but as you might be able to see, Chloe got a hold of the case and she bit into the silicone, and she actually, bit into it so hard that she tore into it, and it was hanging on loosely for a while, and I actually tried to super glue it in, and I even used a little bit of cement or contact cement, but I just noticed that this piece has just completely fallen off. Now, while I do really like this, I probably wouldn't repurchase the silicone case. I might upgrade to the leather case, mainly because it's obviously not durable enough for my current lifestyle, aka having a toddler who bites on anything. So yeah, anyway, just wanted to give you an update because I actually do really love this case, and I also really love the MagSafe feature. It's just that apparently it's not that durable to bites. Okay, I am home from work. Technically home from work. I was working from home today. So I have Chloe's balloons here. The beau is currently helping me with all of the other decorations, and he's blowing up some other balloons. And I just have to do some dishes quickly, and then I'm going to set up the gift that we got for Chloe. Okay, this is what we got her. It is the Fisher-Price food truck. I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna put this together. Okay, I'm pretty much done putting together Chloe's food truck here. I'm also watching or catching up on some shows on my laptop. But what is left is just putting all the different accessories together, and man, these are so cute. Okay, so I finished setting her up. The on-off switch is actually on the other side, and that's also the volume, so it has 2 volume settings. This is where you have the different stages, so 1 through 3. I do love this little bell. I think that's very cute. Anyway, I think this toy is very cute, and I'm excited to see what Chloe does with it. I feel like she's not gonna really enjoy playing with it too much in terms of all the different features, because she's not into like the role-playing games yet, but I guarantee you she's gonna like munch on like all of these, so I'm excited for that. Chloe, it's your first birthday. What are you looking at? Are you looking at all the decorations? Your balloons? Those are presents from Lola. You can't open those yet until she gets here. Chloe, what are you looking at? Looking at your balloons? Happy birthday! The hamburger.
Let's learn.
A, B, C, D.
Hello, it is Saturday. I was actually off yesterday because it was my compressed work week day off. Basically, I work compressed work week, so every 3rd Friday I get off. So I was off yesterday. The beau actually also took the day off yesterday, so he actually has an extra long weekend because he also took Monday off. I have to go to work, although I am working from home on Monday. Yeah, it's Saturday. Chloe is currently having a nap, so I think I'm going to put together the items I picked up from Ikea. It's really just something for Chloe to somewhere we can put all of our toys in. It's one of their, I'm sure you guys have all seen it, it's one of their furniture pieces with the colorful buckets. It came in a few boxes. Okay, so I chose the white and turquoise colorway. So the big bins, the little bins. I also got this, which I'm excited about. I'm not gonna put makeup in it, although that is the suggestion. I'm actually gonna use it for stationery, so pens, at my makeshift work from home desk. This is what it looks like. It's actually pretty solid construction. It's not quite clear. It has a little bit of a gray tint to it, but I like it. So I'm gonna put this together. Well, not together, but I'll set it up later. Definitely have to tidy up over here because Chloe is like a tornado that leaves destruction wherever she goes. But this is how the Ikea storage solution turned out. Yeah, so I have to definitely clear out some of the toys because I feel like some of the toys Chloe has just outgrown, but I haven't really had the chance to do that yet. So there's just a bunch of random things. I used to, when I first put this together, which was a couple weeks ago now, but I had categories kind of for each bin. Now they're just kind of whatever is in here. Okay, I'm home and I actually have to make Chloe some lunch, but before I do that, I'm gonna unbox this. I had to get the beau's help to, well, if you've ever shopped at Costco, you know everything is so unnecessarily overpackaged, but yeah, this is what it looks like and I am excited. So like I said, it was $139. Regular price or retail price elsewhere is like $179. So it's a little bit of a deal, and it's basically a smart mug. So it's a temperature control mug. So this has been around for a while. This is a 2nd generation though, you can tell because it has the little tube at the end here. It's almost like a phone. Ooh. Also to note, it only came in the one colorway, and it's kind of has quite a weight to it. And I don't know what this finish is. Is it aluminum? So this is a 14-ounce cup, which I think is perfect. I think they also have a 10-ounce version. This is the charging base, which you are not supposed to get wet. So this is like a wipe clean only. You're not supposed to submerge this in water. We're also waiting for a Home Depot delivery today because we are finally going to improve our backyard a little bit with a deck. It's not going to be anything fancy, and it's not going to be high because we live in a 2-story, so we don't live in a bungalow, so it's not going to be raised or anything. But yeah, really exciting because right now it's just kind of a slab of wood, which is almost kind of what we're doing, but it's going to be a bigger slab of wood. Okay, this is what the mug looks like. So it's on the coaster right now. You can see Chloe's just having lunch, so you might be able to hear her in the bow in the background. It's always a struggle sometimes, but yeah, you can see there's obviously a cord that connects to the wall. So yeah, usually you don't see that in like the promotional photos, but yeah, there is a bunch of cables. This is obviously where it's gonna live. It just happens to be kind of where I've set up my laptop here while I make Chloe lunch. But yeah, you can set the temperature that you want on your phone, and there's also a bunch of presets too, so you can just select which one you want. And from my understanding is that it will recognize when there's actually liquid in the mug and when there isn't. Obviously, when there's no more liquid, it will stop heating, but it will continue to heat as long as there is liquid. So it will maintain whatever temperature you set it at. This lighting is not the most flattering thing in the world, but I'm home from work. You won't be able to hear Chloe in the background because she is currently having a bath. It's bath night tonight. I wanted to show you guys my little H&M haul for Chloe because it arrived today and it's pretty cute. So I got Chloe this little denim jacket. She fits into a 12 to 18 month in the H&M. She's probably been wearing it for the last like two and a half months, with still a little bit of room to grow, so it'll probably last her like the whole summer. And then there's this cute dress, which is so adorable. It doesn't have any pockets, which I guess at her age she doesn't really know how to utilize the pockets, but it's super cute. This is a 2-piece set. So this is like the floral leggings, and then this is a really pretty light peach top, and it's really flowy and airy, and I think she's gonna look so cute in this, especially since she walks now. I just think all the outfits just look so extra cute on her. I got her a sweater. There's very few sweaters that she actually fits into now, and I want to get her like a couple of sweaters just in case it's a really cool evening or something. I also got her these cute shoes because they are adorable. And it's Velcro, but the Velcro are these bows, which I think are super cute. She is a 2.5, 3.5 in these. I did order the next size up too, but they're just a little bit too big and I'm worried she'll trip over them. So this almost fits perfectly. There's a little bit of room to grow, but for the most part, it's like a perfect fit. Hi, Chloe. You want Mama to get you some milk?
Aren't you cold?
We have some more unflattering lighting, but I want to show you guys Chloe's new car seat because it just arrived today. We have upgraded her to a convertible car seat. She used to be an infant one. She still technically fits in the infant one, but it's just a hassle to like bring it in and out now. We hardly ever do it, and she kind of looks a little bit cramped in there, so we've upgraded to a convertible one. So we decided to go for the Nuna Rava, and we got the granite color. We ordered this from Snuggle Bugs, which is a Canadian website, or actually they have actual stores in Canada. As you guys saw, we did go with the granite color. The only other colorway they had was black, so we went with this. I'm gonna need 2 hands to pull this out. It is Saturday, And Chloe and I are just playing. We actually got an Amazon delivery, which I will show you guys what we got in just a second. But yesterday was Good Friday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday, but we did get our deck done, and we're going to be buying a gazebo to have on the deck, and also obviously some patio furniture. So we are currently just playing. Where are you going? Yeah, can you get Mama another one? Can you put it right here for Mama? Here's a little messy Chloe. Thank you. Oh, so this was just delivered. It is another coaster for my ember mug. We are currently at a nature park. Just checking out some wildlife. Right, Chloe? Look what's ahead. There's geese. More ducks. Careful, Chloe. Be careful. Yeah, those are ducks. Okay, so that is a little throwback of the beginning of the year. And with that said, let's open day 5 of the advent calendar. Ah, it's a pin. Oh, fun. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to pin this to, but it is this cute little enamel pin with a star, shooting star, I guess. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's throwback video. We will be back to regularly scheduled Vlogmas videos tomorrow.